Today I'm going to show you the process of how I fixed up this lawn to make it look like this just here. Stay tuned and check it out. As you can see, it's not too bad of a starting point with this Kikuyu lawn. Now, I did have a few weeds to start off, a little bit of onion grass, a few bits and pieces in the lawn as well, like some roots. The first thing we did is we sprayed out the onion grass and the broadleaf weeds in this lawn just to give it a nice, clean, fresh start. Next step come springtime was to do a lawn renovation. So the reason for doing a lawn renovation is one, to get rid of all the dead organic material from under the soil. We do that by scarifying. Then we aerate with a core aerator. See, I've got a mechanical one here. And from there, we basically put down some sand to make the lawn nice and level, and to also help get some drainage where those core holes are as well. On top of that, we also put some fertilizer out to kick this thing back into gear. And now it's time to watch it grow. So it took about another 2.5 months for it to completely fill in, but as you can see here, the lawn is looking nice and filled in, not really any gaps left here. So now it's really time to start kicking in with a liquid fertilizer program. You can apply liquid fertilizers anytime the lawn is actively growing. So I like to apply every 3 to 4 weeks with liquids, and then in between that as well, I like to apply my granular fertilizers every 8 to 10 weeks, just to keep the lawn ticking along. With this, regular mowing 1 to 2 times a week, and then making sure you water again 1 to 2 times a week during the growing season is going to set you up to have an awesome lawn nearly all year round, unless you get frosts and snow. So this is my lawn about 5 to 6 months after we did that initial renovation. Super happy with it. I would have loved to get a little bit lower, but look at that colour, man. Leading into winter, this thing is looking absolutely pure. Super excited to see how this thing goes next season. Excited to see how I go building a par 3, putting in a golf green, and really building this property up and making this thing look awesome. Thanks guys so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And you guys have a good week.